What's up, gang? GNCRC back once again. And as you can see, I have the 116E Revo. This is the brush version. And the reason why I bought this is because I already have a Steve new motor, hand-built motor that I can pop right in here. And I have an ESC that can handle up to 6S, but the motor can handle up to 4S. I'm thinking about building another one of these. This will be the second one that I built. The first one I built, I probably had it about 5-6 years, if not longer. I mean, it was like, yeah, you just had to see it. Custom everything, but why am I building this to handle 4S? The reason being is because with the Steve new motors, if you guys ever had one of those, it's a hand wound motor. And they are really, I don't know how to explain it, but it's almost equivalent to riding. I don't ride anymore, I used to ride a motorcycle 1000 versus a 1300. A 1300 is real control when it pulls the front end up, but a 1000 pulls the front end up real fast, so it winds up real fast. But this is real smooth when it comes up with the new motor that I had. But I'm debating, do I keep this or sell it? Because I'm really into these right now. These are my things now. Like, I am really into these. I'm hooked on these. So I'm just debating. What do you guys think? This will be another project. I don't know how long it will be before I will completely finish it, because I like to do things a certain way, so I won't actually drive it or mess with it until I finish it. And I even got one that I have finished. I just hadn't driven it, but I still got this one that I got to complete. And then I also have the Losi Super B that's complete. It has a TP power motor in it, and I just hadn't gotten around to driving. I just really hadn't been, I don't know, lately I've gotten to the point where I'm so excited about building that I don't even care about driving anymore. But I gotta get this thing to the local crawler course so we can get some video on it, see how it performs. But guys, let me know in the comments. Should I keep it, or do I go ahead and sell it and put some more money into one of these? This one's pretty much done. I got to put the brushless motor in it, and that's pretty much it. I got a set of springs I'm gonna put on it, a couple other things, but that's it. I'm gonna do something to get a little bit more flex, but that's pretty much it. So keep it or sell it. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. And also, guys, I have a deadbolt that I built this from. I still have the body and everything, the body and wheels, so I'm gonna be putting those online also. So those will be for sale also. I'll put a link in the description to the eBay auction. If you guys are interested in it, we can probably make a deal and I can end it early. So just let me know, guys. Thanks for watching. GNCRC, over and out.